Hello friends, so today we are solving this problem, maximum candies you can get from boxes. So you have an n boxes labeled from 0 to n minus 1 and you are given 4 arrays: status, candies, keys and content boxes. You can visualize simple way like this. So we are given here status, candies, keys, content box, initial box. So there are total, we are given 5 arrays. Okay, so now what we have to do is let's visualize it. So you guys can see one thing here. uh, this is status. Okay, status is nothing but these are the, you can consider the keys. Let's say there is 1, so index 0 box can be opened. This is 3, right? A 2 index, so this box can be opened. So if we go here, these are the, initially we are having only 0th box. Okay, so 0 index box is the only available box right now we have. Is here that initially we are given only this box. Okay, so let's say we are taking this box initially, so we have to process only this box because we are given with the rest of the box might be inside it. Okay, so here this is 0th box, so we will look that can we open this 0th box or not. So if it is 1 at that index, right, so this is 0th index and it is 1 here, so that means we can open this box. And if we can open this box, that means we can open the we can collect the candies also. So in our answer variable we will add that candies. So at 0th box, how many candies? There are 7 candies, so we got 7 candies. Now we will look that is there some box inside it. So see here at 0th location we have 1 and 2 boxes we found. Okay, so we will add this 1 and 2 to proceed. Okay, now we will also check that, hey, is there key at the index 0? So see here keys are there, but there is no key in this box, right? So we cannot collect any key from the 0th index. Fine, so we are done with the 0th box. So we are done. Now what will happen, we have to proceed the other boxes. So let's take this box. So at 1, can we proceed this guy? Can we open this box? So we will check here. Oh, we cannot proceed because there is a 0 at this index. So as of now 1 we cannot proceed. So let's look for the second box, 2 box. So we will hear that can we proceed, that okay, status is 1, that means we can proceed, means we can open this box. So if I open this box, we will go to here index 2 is 4, right? So we will connect these 4 candies here. Now we will check that is there some key that we can find from the index 2. Yes, we are finding the key equal to index 1. Okay, if we have found a key, that means we can open this guy. So what we will do is we will update it because we found a key here. So at this index we will update it like this, index 1, right? So at index 1 we found, so I have updated. Now is there any box at index 2? Yes, we have a box. No, we don't have index 2, we don't have any box. That means we are done for the box number 2. Now we are left with the box 1. Now because we already collected one key also during the processing of the box 2, so here now we'll try to process this guy. Okay, so this is 1. So hey, is there 1 at the status? Yes, now we have 1. That means we can open this guy as well. So if we can open, we are collecting 5 candies here. So let me add these 5 candies here. Now we will check that at index 1, are we getting any key? 0, 1. No, there is no key. That means we cannot do any here. Are we getting any new box at index 1? Yeah. So this is 3, right? At index 1 we are getting a box called 3. So let me add it here. I am adding it here. Now we are removing this because we are done with the 1. Now we have to look for the 3. So can we open 3? No, there is 0, so we cannot open this guy. That means we are done. We cannot open this. So what is the answer? Answer is 7 plus 4 plus 5. So this is 16. So 16 would be the candies that we can collect here. So this is what we have to do. So we will do it in pretty simple way. Same thing, like how to do that. So what we will do is we were processing all the boxes, right? So you can consider here one thing, that this available box, let's say we are creating this as a queue. Okay, so we will treat this as a queue, and whatever is the available box we have, we will keep on adding. So initially we started with the 0, right? So we added this guy 0 here. Now we will keep on processing. So one by one we will check for the status, we will collect whoever we can open. So we will go in the BFS way, right? So you can see in my code here. So see here, I have created one queue, and initial boxes, whatever boxes are there, I have added those boxes into the queue. Like in our case, initially we added 0. Now I'm taking one boolean variable that so let's check here, because a key could be repeated, right? For same box there could be multiple different boxes can give the key for a same box, but we don't want to open it again because only one time we have collected the candies. So see here what we are doing, till the time when queue is not empty and this variable is true. So what we are doing, and as soon as we are going inside, we are making it false because we want to check that is there some key possibility which can open further a box. Okay, so see here, I'm taking the size of the queue initially, and for that many times I am popping out the variables. So let's say this is index of that box that we have available. Now we will check in the status box that, hey, can we open it? Similarly, like we were doing here, status is the set who all keys are enabled, right? So for that reason we are checking here. If it is 1, that means we can open it. So there is some change we found, so I'm making it true. Now what I'm doing here is I'm adding this box to the my hash set. Why? Because I don't want to repeat this again, so I will keep on checking whenever. So now see here, I'm collecting all the candies. So answer equal to answer plus candies of that index box that we popped out, right? Now what we are doing here is, whatever the collection content boxes means at the index this box, how many new boxes we found. So whatever new boxes we found, we are adding them to the queue. Okay, now here I'm checking how many keys we found. So whenever a key we found, and if it is not already processed, then I am updating the status x equal to 1. Like here, when we found this one, it was initially 0, but when we found this one here, we updated it equal to 1 so that we can proceed further. Okay, so same thing I'm doing here. So here we have collected all the keys. Now so this we are doing when if a status box equal to 1 means if we can open it. If we cannot open it, what we are doing, we are adding back the same box to the queue. Okay, because there could be a possibility that some other box will give us the keys. That's why we still want to keep it inside the queue. So here two things are key, that till the time it is not empty and till the time the things are getting changed, means at least one of this condition is getting true. Okay, so till that time we were doing. Now you can visualize here that in the we have till the 3 the queue was having some values, right? This 3 was left here, but because we couldn't proceed it because it was 0, so we came out of that loop, right? So you can see here, once we have collected all, we are returning this. Finally we will be returning our answer. Okay, so let me execute this code. So this is a BFS way of doing it. Simple question, it is hard but it should be medium. So thank you for watching this video, and if you guys have any concern, please make a comment there. And here we are doing O of n is the time complexity, and we are taking some extra space as well, so that is also of O of n.